Let's see now how number parameter or bool parameter or date parameter are used in the context of the migrated code. And let's create a controller just like the get order statistics, but this time not using the number or number column parameters, but using actually the number parameter data type to look just like the migrated code. So let's create a new controller. We'll take this name as an inspiration. Add new item. We'll choose a business process template and we'll call it get order statistics demo number parameter. Perfect. And just like before, I'm going to go and copy this. I'm going to have the table defined over here, and we're going to say from order details. Now, in Magic, any parameter was also a local column. So any parameters that you want to receive here will also, in the migrated code, appear like a local column. So we'll have a member, number column, order ID. Okay? And when we receive it as a parameter, we'll receive a parameter over here, number parameter, order ID, and then we'll call the bind parameter method, which will bind the order ID local column with the order ID parameter. We can see the order ID local column with the order ID parameter. So this is how we work in the migrated code in the context of parameter. Any parameter will have a local column. It will be defined in the run method as a number parameter, and we'll use the bind parameter to use it. Now when we work like this, it actually gives us an advantage. Remember, in the get order statistics, we did the where add in the run method. But now, since the order ID is a column, a local column, we can actually put the where in the constructor. So we'll say here, where add order details dot order ID is equal to the order ID local columns that we have. Okay? And this bind parameter will create the relationship between the two. It will make sure that it will get updated with the correct value. Let's add another one just to demonstrate how it operates. Let's add the read-only number column quantity. Again, receive it as a parameter. Okay. And we'll do another bind parameter for it. Dot quantity. Perfect. And let's override the leave row and update the quantity. Quantity plus equals order details dot quantity. Yeah, quantity dot value. Perfect. So let's run this and see what we get. Go to our program list, choose our new controller, give it an order number, okay, and run it. Now let's have a look. At this point, the order ID parameter will have the value, but the order ID will not yet have the value because the value is not yet updated into it. But as soon as we get to the only row, put a breakpoint, F5, we can see that the order ID local column already has the value because the bind parameter causes the value to be updated to the local column as soon as we execute. Great. Now, at this point in time, if we'll continue with the code all the way to here, we'll be able to see that after the execute, the quantity parameter was updated with the result. So using the number parameter and bind parameter causes the local column to be updated with the parameter value when the execute starts, before the onload event, and updates the parameter with the local column value when the execute is concluded, creating that two-way binding of the parameter and the local columns used in the controller.